Hello everyone, this is Voltage Development and welcome back to another tutorial. Now, I know that last time with the animation, I kind of cut the video off abruptly and did not do like a outro or finish off the video because I was trying to do like animation in the scripting part, but it just got a little bit messy, so I had to basically end it abruptly. But you didn't see that part, you only saw the part where I just showed you how to animate in the animation tab with animating the cube. Yeah, the cube on the bottom. And you know what? Yeah, we're gonna keep the game tab up here. Now, because we have now made our animation, which is the random movement animation, and I'm still not sure about the rapid mode, but we're gonna keep that default. So what we're gonna do now is we are actually going to make a script. Hang on, does the cube on the bottom like play automatically or something? And also, I've tweaked the quality on my OBS so that it should run a lot smoother now. And I know that the quality is going to be down a bit, so might need to focus on a few parts, but it's gonna be all okay, I think. So at the moment, yeah, the bottom cube is not actually animating just yet. So in order to make it animate, like I don't know, with an input or something, let's just right click in our assets and create C# script. Now I'm not gonna like literally explain in absolute detail about anything anymore. I'm just gonna assume that you know how to navigate in Unity and just follow what I'm doing. Okay, so let's just call this animation cube because it's just going to be for that cube for the moment. So animation cube, and let's just, oh yeah, this pops up for some reason. So now as you can see, it's compiling. That's the buffering sign icon thingy for compiling your C# script, and it's going to appear in the inspector now. As you can see, we've got our C# script right here, and let's just open this up in Visual Studio right here. Now, first things first, what we need to do is get rid of this comment. So of course, to do a comment, you just do like 2 forward slashes and then like make a comment, or you can do, what's it, actually, let's just take away these comments for now. There we go. So now, let's just say, for example, /star, and now it puts everything else underneath in a comment. But if we do it here and do like star /, it will leave the other curly brackets out because, yeah, that's how you do a comment throughout. If you want to make a paragraph and you don't want to keep on adding forward slashes all the time, then just do it the / and star way. It's confusing, but you kind of get the hang of it. So now what we're going to need is we're going to need a reference to our cube. So we're going to call it public game object, and let's just call it cube. There we go. And now in the update, we are going to do if, not 9, if input dot get, damn it, get key down. Let's just do t. So let's just do key code dot t. There we go. And now open curly brackets, close curly brackets, and then done like that. And let's just do let's do cube dot get component, and then do the arrow key thing, and now let's put in animation, and then I think it's like that, and then dot play. There we go, play. Done. I think, no. Oh, actually, hang on a minute. Let's remove this for now. Or no. Keep it in, actually. Keep it in. So let's just come out of Visual Studio for now. And let's go to the cube. And aha. So the animation is called random movement. So we can't just do cube dot get component animation play. We actually have to specify the actual animation. So I think it's like this. So random animation. I think it's like that. Okay, so let's just save that. And now it's going to compile the script into the engine. So now the C# script has been compiled into the Unity engine. So if we go into the animation cube that we just created, you can see that it's actually been updated, because what Unity does is that in its assets folder, whatever, if you create a script and then you update the script and save the script, Unity will constantly do like an updating process where it will check to see if this script has been updated. If it has, it re-imports the script into Unity so that it compiles it and then makes it playable in your game. So let's now go to the cube and let's actually add this animation cube to the add component over here. And now we can see the script added, and we've got the cube, and it says none game objects because we need to actually specify the game object, which is going to be the cube over here. And now if we play it, so at the moment the cube is not moving, but if we press T, wait, the animation state random animation could not be played because it couldn't be. Where? Okay, something is wrong here. I'm an idiot, guys. I am an idiot. Literally an idiot. I put random animation rather than random movement. The actual animation is called random movement. Oh my god. Yeah, when doing these tutorials, I literally am so unobservant. So, apologies for my idioticness, everyone. But now we have got that done, and hopefully this script can access the animation of the cube and animate it according to our input. So now we're in the game. So if we press T now, it animates. So let's just rehearse or recap what we just done. So in the beginning, we clicked on our cube right here, and for some reason it did a double click, I'm not entirely sure why. And we went into animate or animation, and we did create animation, we named it whatever we wanted, and then we created a property or add a property, and we basically just changed the scale of our cube, and then we finished the animation, and the animation appeared over here, but you can actually just save it wherever you'd like to save it. And then we created the animation cube script, and what this is doing is, let's just say, for example, public. If you don't know what public means, it makes sure that your game object is in the inspector. So yeah, this cube is literally just referencing game object cube. Basically, we've declared a variable called cube, and it's of type game object, and it's public because we can see it in the inspector. And now with this one, input.get key down, key code T, it's basically saying if we press T, then this will happen. Since we have referred the game object cube to the cube in our scene, we are getting the component animation, which is this animation right here, this component, and we're just basically playing random movement inside of this component. That is all you need to do for animation, everyone. I apologize that it's taken this long to show you how to do animation. Like, I've been super stressed with things, and I hope this all helped you out. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments, and I will do more tutorials on Unity in the future. I mean, not gonna lie, doing tutorials on this engine, it's harder than I thought. I mean, I love the engine, but it's harder to actually like explain things and follow on. So really hope that you guys do follow on what I'm saying, and hope it does all help you out. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, everybody.